shaking this up. I was supposed to put the water in at the beginning with the ingredients, and I did not do that part correctly. But I've made sure that I've really shaken it to get all the salt from the bottom. So everything is in here. The garlic, I didn't have dill, fresh dill, so I've got this dill weed in there. And I didn't have black peppercorn, so this is like a mixed peppercorn. And it's got the garlic, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I think it said 2 to 3 days. So I'll see how it is in a few days. But 2 cucumbers fit in here perfectly. Pretty nice. I'm excited to try these. And these are Champion Bush cucumbers.